So we decided to record a set of videos specifically for Tasklet Factory Mobile WMS users to learn more about Sendcloud and the Business Central Sendcloud integration as we have developed it here at NVision. Before we dive into Business Central and before we start shipping some BC sales orders and shipments, I thought that by far more interesting part is Sendcloud itself. So let's have a look at the Sendcloud platform, because that's what we will eventually be doing. We'll be linking Sendcloud and all of its carriers and features to Business Central and allowing you to work with all of that directly from your Tasklet handheld devices as well. Sendcloud is a multi-carrier platform, meaning it has a long list of carriers integrated and bundled into one API, which allows us to interact with all of those carriers through a unified interface. And you'll see here, they have all the popular carriers, but there's also all the local heroes listed on the page. Here, just go on sendcloud.com/carriers and find out for yourselves whether your carriers are listed. And if so, you can start shipping with all of them or some of them or just one of them if you prefer through Business Central. And you can do so in just a matter of minutes, because that's one of the good things with Sendcloud. Just go on the page here, sign up for your account, and you'll be shipping in a couple of minutes. And one of the other good things is that you don't have to have a contract with each of these carriers. You can bring your own contract for sure, but if you just want to start testing Royal Mail or see what it's like to start shipping from the UK into Belgium by using DHL, for instance, feel free. You can just enable DHL. Sendcloud has volume contracts directly available for you to start working with and just start testing those carriers. And then you can still switch to using your own contracts later on. Now, if we scroll down here, you'll see some of the more interesting features on the Sendcloud platform. And it starts with checkout, because when working with a multi-carrier platform, you also want to offer shipping services from all of these carriers in your e-commerce checkout. And just as the example you see here, Sendcloud has plugins for all the popular platforms, whether you're using Magento, Shopify, or one of the others. If you want to offer full flexibility or as much as functionality as possible, implement the Sendcloud multi-carrier checkout feature and you'll get something as what you see here, allowing customers to work with different carriers, eventually you offering them as much flexibility as possible. If they want stuff to be delivered to their home, or whether you want to work with pickup points, again, same concept. A combined set of all the carrier pickup points that you have activated within your account can be used in your e-com checkout. Now, back here, shipping, of course, a bit of a no-brainer. The platform is going to help you process your shipments, but it can do much more than just that. Definitely have a read. There is an advanced rules engine allowing you to optimize each shipment, whether it's based on the goods that you're shipping or the area where you're shipping to, or a combination of those things. Sendcloud can help you to always select the best possible carrier. And then there's tracking and returns. And both within the tracking area and the returns area, Sendcloud has this interesting feature called brands. It's called branded tracking. Actually, within Sendcloud, you can define multiple brands. So whether you're shipping on behalf of brand A, which has a look and feel such and such, or brand B, or even a few more, with each shipment, you can inform the platform, this is brand A, this is brand B, and then the tracking information will have the right look and feel, just as the returns portal. So if you're also activating, or if you're also interested in working with returns through Sendcloud, you can offer your customers the properly branded returns portal, which corresponds with the tracking information that they received earlier. They can go onto the returns portal. They can find all the shipments that were processed earlier on through Sendcloud. They can select which goods they want to return. And the good thing here is this is also brought into Business Central through our BC Sendcloud integration. And even if you're doing the receive part through Tasklet, that's also linked with the returns that have been created here. So branded track and trace, branded returns portal, and that's it for this video. But definitely go on sendcloud.com, do some more reading about support automation, shipping intelligence, because the platform has even more in these areas. If you're processing a decent volume, you definitely want to dive into these features as well, because they enable you to provide better services, to have a better grip on performance and cost, all the good stuff you need to further optimize your logistics. Now, let's end this video by scrolling back to the top, because as mentioned before, you don't have to phone them. You don't have to get into a consultancy project. You just go on here, you click on start for free. You can create your own account, either start working with some of the Sendcloud volume contracts or add your own contracts into your account, but you'll really be shipping in a matter of minutes and not days, weeks, or months as with some of the other platforms.